Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to make a corduroy shoulder bag. The link to get the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this tutorial you will need a 25mm wide 1 meter long strap, a 35cm long zipper, a 25mm wide slide-in buckle, lightweight sew-in batting, lightweight nylon or cotton fabric for the lining, corduroy fabric for the outside, the pattern pieces printed and cut. Fold the outer fabric and cut the pattern pieces as shown on the cutting layout. Before removing the patterns, transfer the important markings to the fabric. Cut the lining pieces in the same way as for the outer fabric. Cut the bag faces and perimeter in the batting. Take the faces of the bag as well as the perimeter outer fabric and batting. Place the outer fabric on the batting wrong sides together and stitch all around the pieces 5mm from the edge. Fold the lining pocket in half wrong sides together and top stitch the top 5mm from the edge. Place the pocket on the bag face, lining, right sides together and stitch all 3 sides 5mm from the edge, then stitch down the middle to create 2 pockets. Mark the centers of the zipper. Place the zipper on the top of the outside of the bag face right sides together and then place over the lining of the face right sides together, matching the middle. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Do exactly the same with the second face of the bag and the second side of the zipper. Clip the rounded edges at the top of the bag. Place the bag outside against outside and lining against lining. Open the zipper. Place one edge of the outer perimeter over the edge of the outer face, right sides together, matching the markings. Pin the second edge of the perimeter to the second face of the bag, right sides together, matching the markings. Make marks at a distance of 1 cm at the top ends of each face of the bag. Stitch each face at 1 cm from the edge, stopping at the 1 cm marks. Place one edge of the perimeter lining over the edge of the face lining, right sides together, matching the markings. Pin the second edge of the perimeter lining to the second edge of the face of the bag, right sides together, matching the markings. Make marks at a distance of 1 cm at the top ends of each bag face. Stitch each side 1 cm from the edge, leaving a 12 cm opening on one side to flip the bag inside out. Stitch only between the 1 cm marks. Clip the rounded edges of the bag outer fabric and lining. Cut two pieces of webbing, one 20 cm long and one 80 cm long. Slide the 20 cm piece of webbing into the sliding buckle and fold in half. Take the 4 tab pieces of the bag. Place one tab on the second, right sides together. Stitch both sides 1 cm from the edge. Slide the folded strap into one tab, positioning the end of the strap on the short side of the tab, right sides together, and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Slide the second strap into the second tab, positioning the end of the strap on the short side of the tab, right sides together, and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Clip the corners of the tabs and flip over, pulling on the straps. Trim off any excess fabric. Close the zipper. Slide the tab into one end of the bag outer fabric, right sides together so that the raw ends line up. Pin the lining with the outer fabric and tab. Stitch all together 1 cm from the edge, leaving 1 cm free on either side. Trim the excess zipper and clip the corners of the bag. Flip the bag right side out through the lining opening. Pin the lining opening and stitch with an invisible stitch or the machine 2 mm from the edge. Place the free end of the strap in the sliding buckle, then fold the end over 2 cm to the back and stitch in the middle. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments or to message me on my social media.